it is paramount that this campus, which united as one when Rohit Vemula's institutional murder happened in 2016, has to unite again, stand as one force to demand that this report, this atrocious report, is immediately withdrawn, to a fresh inquiry into the role of Appa Rao, Smriti Irani, Bandara Dattatreya is being conducted, and a proper inquiry is conducted on to the investigating officers of this particular case who have gone to great extent to malign Rohit Vemula and the Dalit scholars of this campus.
Verbatim quoted the posters put up by...
I request everyone to please sit down here.
की सुबह निराशा और हताशा भरी सुबह थी। हमने देखा और हमें बॉयल किया है।
Well, the final report was submitted in March by the Telangana government. Remember, there was a district-level committee that was set up to look into various aspects of this case. 2016 was the year when Rohit Vemula's suicide rocked the entire nation, triggered nationwide outrage. In fact, I'm coming to you live from outside the Hyderabad Central University, where Ambedkar Student Association are staging a dharna here. They are demanding immediate rollback of the report. They're saying this report is a can full of canards, and it's something that it does not investigate why or who prompted Rohit Vemula to die by suicide, to take that extreme step, but in turn investigates into his caste identity and wrongly puts across facts that he was not a Dalit. You can see students there staging a protest as we speak. But going back to what this report has found out, three main things. Telangana Police in its closure report has said they have found no evidence. Point number two, they've gone on to say that Rohit Vemula died by suicide, not because of the fact that he was attacked on the basis of caste, but the fact that there could be other reason. And the biggest of all, the report clearly mentions that Rohit Vemula was not a Dalit. The official word from the state government is still awaited, but we are given to understand that Rohit Vemula's family has in fact sought an appointment to meet with Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and sources have indicated that in all likelihood that meeting is going to be through in the next coming hours. Having said that, let me bring you back to what's happening here at the Hyderabad Central University. Protests have broken out. Ambedkar Student Associations here are calling for the immediate rollback of the report and say this is a ploy to not just malign the Ambedkar Student Association but also humiliate Rohit Vemula. But what I want to highlight particularly are three particular things from that report. Number one, the police has filed a closure report saying there is no evidence. Point number two, the report says that Rohit Vemula was not a Dalit. His mother claims to be from the Mala community, but she was married to somebody who hailed from another caste. And third point is that Rohit Vemula's suicide may not be driven by the fact that he was targeted on the basis of caste, but rather was afraid of being exposed of his actual caste status. With that, I also want to highlight the report clearly says there were no other evidences that suggest that Rohit Vemula was targeted on the basis of his caste, and more importantly, the fact that the family even now continues to claim that they are being targeted and maligned rather than being properly investigated by the police. The family's version is that we had submitted all the documents to the district level committee, but despite that, none of that has featured in the closure report. So the next course of action for the family is to meet the government here in Telangana. Pertinent to note that it's a Congress government here in Telangana, so we can perhaps expect some political development whether the state government extends its support to the family or not, time will tell, but definitely that's one thing to watch out for.